Welcome to Car Garage, your go-to destination for everything on wheels, from reviews to the latest car tech and trends. The 2025 Bugatti Type 35 is a modern masterpiece inspired by a legendary racing icon. Blending classic heritage with cutting-edge technology, this hypercar reimagines the golden age of motorsport with 21st century engineering. It continues Bugatti's tradition of pushing boundaries in design, performance, and exclusivity. The new Type 35 is not just a tribute, but a performance marvel that stands tall in the world of modern hypercars. At the heart of the 2025 Bugatti Type 35 lies a formidable powertrain that defines the essence of Bugatti's engineering excellence. Power comes from an advanced hybrid drivetrain, pairing a massive quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine with a sophisticated electric motor system. This combination delivers an awe-inspiring total output of around 1,600 horsepower, allowing the car to launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.1 seconds. The top speed is electronically limited to over 261 mph, making it one of the fastest production vehicles in the world. The performance is enhanced further by an all-wheel drive layout and a dual-clutch 7-speed transmission that ensures lightning-fast gear shifts. Bugatti has employed lightweight materials, including extensive use of carbon fiber in the chassis and body panels, reducing weight and improving agility. The suspension system features adaptive dampers and active aerodynamics, ensuring superb handling. Whether on a racetrack or open highway, design-wise, the 2025 Type 35 is a stunning fusion of the past and future. It carries forward styling cues from the original Type 35, such as the horseshoe grille, narrow body, and distinctive rear spine. Modern elements include sleek LED headlights, aerodynamic sculpting, and a bold stance that commands attention from every angle. The design is not just beautiful but functional too, with active aerodynamic elements including a retractable rear spoiler and front splitters that adjust based on driving conditions. The cabin of the Bugatti Type 35 is a luxurious blend of elegance and performance focus. Inside the car, drivers are greeted with a minimalist yet highly sophisticated cockpit. Premium materials like fine leather, carbon fiber, and polished aluminum are used throughout. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, providing essential driving data in high resolution while maintaining a clean and vintage-inspired aesthetic. The steering wheel is ergonomically shaped and includes drive mode selectors to switch between comfort, sport, and track settings. While performance is the main focus, Bugatti is not compromised on technology. The Type 35 includes a bespoke infotainment system tailored for high-performance driving. It features advanced telemetry functions, navigation, connectivity options, and voice command functionality. The sound system, though secondary to the roar of the engine, is developed in partnership with a high-end audio brand, delivering crisp, immersive audio quality. In terms of safety and driver assistance, the car comes equipped with advanced systems designed to support high-speed driving without compromising safety. This includes performance traction control, carbon ceramic brakes with advanced ABS and stability control. Although the Type 35 prioritizes driving engagement, it also includes features such as parking sensors and a rear-view camera to aid in everyday usability. Bugatti is also focused on exclusivity with the new Type 35. Production is strictly limited to a very small number, making it an ultra-rare collector's dream. Each unit is customizable to the owner's specification, including bespoke paint options, interior finishes, and even badging. Customers go through a detailed configuration process, working directly with Bugatti designers to create a truly one-of-a-kind vehicle. The 2025 Type 35 is more than a hypercar. It is a symbol of Bugatti's commitment to art, performance, and legacy. It bridges the gap between history and future, delivering a driving experience that few cars can match. For those lucky enough to own one, it is not just a car. It is a moving piece of automotive art that pays homage to one of the greatest racing machines of all time. If you are passionate about cars that combine beauty, speed, and innovation, the 2025 Bugatti Type 35 deserves a spot on your dream list. It is designed for those who seek more than just transportation, but a connection to something greater, a machine that thrills and inspires. Thanks for watching this review on the 2025 Bugatti Type 35. If you enjoyed this video and want more deep dives into the world's most exciting cars. Don't forget to subscribe to Car Garage for future updates, reviews, and exclusive automotive content.